First of all, open your game or experience in your Roblox Studio. Now select the Avatar tab, and here in this Avatar section, find out Rig Builder. And if you're using a newer version of Roblox Studio, then you have to click on Character, and here choose your rig type. So the most common type is R15, and here I'm selecting Block Avatar, and here we can see our character successfully added. Now make sure to activate this Explorer section. You can just go to Home and activate Explorer. Now to add clothing to your avatar, all you have to need, click on Plugins, open Manage Plugins, click this plus icon. In this search box, type your accessory and select accessory in plugin. Search for it. Now we have to add this plugin, accessory inserter. So click this plugin, click on install. Here we can see the accessory inserter plugin already added. Make sure to turn on this plugin, then you can close this. Now all you have to need, go to plugins tab, and here you will find insert accessories. Click on that. Now open Roblox in your browser and make sure to sign into your account, then open Marketplace. Click this category option, select clothing, and here you find lots of clothing. You can just go ahead and pick any of them. Let's add this clothing. So I'm just opening the clothing here and copying the clothing ID from here, just like this. Now just go back to Roblox Studio, click on your dummy, and here paste the clothing ID and click on apply. And here we can see the clothing successfully added to my avatar. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.